So in this video, you'll learn how to enable auto factory reset after 20 failed unlock attempts on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So this is a security feature that simply gives your phone additional security if it ever goes missing. So if someone tries to unlock your phone without knowing the PIN, password, or pattern, and after 20 failed attempts, then your phone will go through a factory reset process. So it will erase every single bit of data on your device so that it can't be touched. So in order for you to enable this feature, you have to start by opening the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and select Lock Screen and AOD. Then from here, you want to tap on Secure Lock Settings. If you don't see this option listed, it's because you don't have a PIN, password, or pattern. So you need to ensure that you have one of those added onto your phone before you can actually use this feature. So from there, just tap on it like that. Then you enter in your PIN, password, or pattern. And then you should see this option, Auto Factory Reset, with a toggle next to it. So tap on the toggle like that. And now once it's enabled, your phone has an extra layer of security that stops anybody from accessing any of its contents after 20 failed unlock attempts. I would also recommend you ensure that you do a regular data backup so that you never lose a single bit of your data if it ever actually goes through the factory reset process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.